Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake in your garden. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, 1 cup of fresh fruit from your garden, and a half cup of milk. Don't forget your blender, some glasses, and long spoons. Pick a nice, cool spot in your garden to set up your milkshake station. Now for the fun part, blending. Carefully add your ice cream, fresh garden fruit, and milk into the blender. Secure the lid tightly and blend on a medium setting until everything is perfectly smooth. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk. For a thicker shake, a little more ice cream does the trick. Aim for a consistent, pourable texture. Once blended, it's time to serve your delicious garden milkshake. Pour the creamy mixture into chilled glasses. For an extra special touch, add a dollop of whipped cream on top. Garnish with a fresh berry or a small mint leaf from your garden. Don't forget a colorful straw. These simple additions make your milkshake feel extra fancy and refreshing. Now find a comfortable spot in your garden, perhaps under a tree, and enjoy your refreshing creation. There's nothing quite like a homemade treat made with fresh ingredients. Cleaning up is a breeze, just rinse your blender and glasses. Next time, experiment with different fruits or even add a touch of honey for a new flavor adventure. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.